Is Snoop Dogg Doing Martha? Written by me, Tom Dontigny. Is Snoop Dogg doing Martha? Well, we all want to know. Is it so? Do they do it doggy style? Oh, no, no, no. Is Snoop Dogg doing Martha on the down low? Is Snoop Dogg doing Martha? Do they do it doggy style? Most folk then and now really want to know, is Snoop Dogg doing Martha? Say it ain't so. Martha can really cook, just take a look. In fact, she has written a book on how to cook. She had a TV show on which Snoop would appear. I can guess Snoop can also cook, but no book, no fear. Is Snoop really writing rap? It was his claim to fame, but now that has passed. He finished his career without once being shot. Those days were less violent. Well, perhaps not. Is Snoop Dogg doing Martha? Well, we want to know, is it so? Do they do it doggy style? Oh, no, no, no. Is Snoop Dogg doing Martha on the down low? Do they do it doggy style? No, no, no.